Hi guys, for today's mini vlog. Dahil lumabas na sa par si Bagyong Ferdy, kaya ako naman dali-dali namang lumabas sa bahay para bumili ng pagkain namin. May paparating na naman na ibang bagyo kaya bumili ako ng fishbowl guys para habang nagmumukmok may makakain kami. Sobrang mabilisan lang talaga tong lakad ko guys, baka uulan na naman mamaya. May nakita akong rambutan guys, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag nito sa Tagalog. Pero ito na nga, hindi pwedeng hindi ako titikim muna bago bumili. Sabi ko sa tindero, pwedeng isa pa kaya natawa talaga sila sa akin. At dahil sa tsimpo namin dito guys, malamig at may asupre na lumalabas galing ng Bulkan Kanlaon. Kaya halos lahat kami may sipon at ubo kaya dumaan na lang ako ng pharmacy para bumili ng gamot. At ito na nga guys, kakarating lang talaga namin sa amin. Pagpasok pa lang ng bahay, ito na po ang nangyari. Ayan. Welcome Bagyong Jenner. Sa sobrang lakas niya guys, ito nakakas yung bubong ng CR namin. Napakaswerte talaga namin guys dahil kung nangyari itong unos na to habang sumasakay kami ng tricycle, nako baka lilipad na yung tricycle namin. So fast forward guys, nakatulog ako saglit at paggising ko may balita agad galing kay Mayor na namimigay daw siya ng food pack. Kaya naman mabilisan kaming pumunta sa bahay ni Mayor, malapit lang din naman dito sa amin. At ito na nga, saktong-sakto, kami na lang pala yung pinakalas ang kukuha ng food pack. Nandito po kami mismo sa bahay ni Mayor at thank you so much Mayor, napakalaking tulong at blessings na po to para sa amin. God bless you po and thank you so much.
Bugas! Bugas. Pansit canton na 3 kabilog.
Salamat!
At saka sa
Salamat sa pagpanuhang
noodles.
Mayor! Ipapitan,
This
ang
one.
nato naging ni Mayor!
Si
Mayor.
Thank you to our beloved Mayor here in Lacos, Caliana. Si Mayor Romayla
May mait. Likod.
Nicor Magilimutan.
So fast forward guys, ito magluluto kami ng fishbowl dahil halos lahat kami dito nagke-crave ng fishbowl at sobrang lakas ng ulan sa labas. Kaya kain tulog muna ang gagawin namin ngayon. Struggle is real po ang aming gasol ngayon guys. Dahil hindi pwedeng hindi ka maiyak sa sobrang usok. So itong powder sauce na nabili namin guys is chili lang siya. Kaya lalagyan natin ng kaunting sugar para maging sweet chili po yung lasa niya.
She looked up from a tall glass of something I could tell she was needing a friend. Her teardrops were making rings in her whiskey.
So yun guys, nagmix lang ako ng kaunting all-purpose flour para maging lapot po yung sauce natin.
For hours, never even looked at the clock. She gave me a hug, said I can thank you enough. This really helped me out a lot. Then she walked off. I let her get just barely out of sight before saying I don't want you to leave. I know we just met, but when you left, you leaving made it hard to breathe. I said there's something about you that I can't explain. There's something that I'm feeling tonight. This could be a sign, and if I'm right, this is what love looks like. And now she's sitting shotgun with the windows rolled down, singing to the radio. She's got her pink toenails dancing on the dashboard, going everywhere I go. She's got one arm around me, smiling so pretty as she holds on tight. She's beautiful.
And that is for today's video guys. Thank you for watching and keep us all safe. God bless us all. Bye!